Looking to upgrade your bedroom security with smart convenience? In this guide, we'll help you find the best fingerprint door lock for bedroom use, combining style, safety, and easy access for a perfect personal sanctuary setup. Number 1. Yamiry Fingerprint Door Lock. The Yamiry Fingerprint Door Lock is an excellent option for anyone seeking reliable, modern bedroom security. Constructed from durable aluminum, this lock offers high resistance to corrosion and tampering, making it a trustworthy barrier against unauthorized access. Its simple installation process makes it accessible to everyday users. You only need a screwdriver to set it up, and it fits most American standard doors. The Yamiry Fingerprint Door Lock integrates seamlessly with a dedicated mobile app, letting users program and control the lock with ease. Via Bluetooth, you can store up to 50 different passwords, fingerprints, and key fobs, giving ample options for family members or trusted guests. With the addition of a separately sold Wi-Fi gateway, remote access is also possible, providing further convenience when you're away from home. The lock features 5 unlocking methods: app control, fingerprint, password, key fob, and traditional key, so you always have a backup. For locking, it offers 3 options: auto lock, app-controlled lock, and a simple long press of the checkmark button on the device. This versatility makes it one of the best fingerprint door lock for bedroom security upgrades. Additionally, the product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime after-sales support, ensuring customers are never left without assistance. Its combination of solid build, easy installation, flexible access options, and reliable customer service makes this Yamiry model a standout for those seeking to enhance bedroom privacy and security. Number 2. Sifely Fingerprint Door Lock. The Sifely Fingerprint Door Lock stands out for its blend of cutting-edge technology and ease of use, making it a favorite among homeowners, landlords, and Airbnb hosts alike. One of its best features is the ability to generate passcodes remotely without needing an internet connection, making it perfect for short-term rental properties or guest accommodations. Its 3D fingerprint sensor technology is highly responsive, unlocking doors in under 0.3 seconds. Offering a 6-in-1 entry system, users can choose between fingerprint, passcode, wireless key fob, card, smartphone, or mechanical key access, covering virtually every preference. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, requiring just a Phillips screwdriver, with no drilling or locksmith services needed. Its reversible handle makes it compatible with both left and right-hand doors, and it runs efficiently on 4 AA batteries, providing up to a year of battery life. By adding the Sifely Wi-Fi gateway, sold separately, you unlock remote control capabilities, real-time access logs, and remote passcode setup, all managed conveniently through the Sifely app or web portal. Managing multiple locks under a single account is particularly useful for property managers. For those seeking the best fingerprint door lock for bedroom or rental use, this Sifely model combines lightning-fast fingerprint recognition, comprehensive app control, and remarkable flexibility into one dependable product. Number 3. Yamiry Smart Door Fingerprint Lock. The Yamiry Smart Door Fingerprint Lock takes keyless entry to an entirely new level with its 6-in-1 unlocking options, providing exceptional convenience and security for modern bedrooms. You can unlock your door using a fingerprint, Bluetooth-enabled app, custom passcodes, key fobs, mechanical keys, or even voice control through Alexa, when paired with a Wi-Fi gateway sold separately. Installation is designed to be hassle-free, taking just 10 minutes with a screwdriver. It fits most American wooden front doors and features a reversible handle for left and right-hand door compatibility. A standout aspect of this lock is its user-friendly mobile app, offering comprehensive access management. From your smartphone, you can grant temporary or permanent access, generate one-time codes for guests, and track unlock history. This makes it ideal not just for homeowners, but also for landlords, Airbnb hosts, and apartment managers juggling multiple units. The lock's robust build quality and reliable Bluetooth connection ensure smooth daily operation. It's perfectly suited for anyone looking for the best fingerprint door lock for bedroom or rental use, as it blends versatility with ease of use. Its smart management features, variety of unlock methods, and painless setup make this Yamiry model an excellent investment for securing private spaces while keeping access simple and convenient. Number 4. Kucacci Fingerprint Door Lock. For families, rental managers, and anyone who values ease and flexibility, the Kucacci fingerprint door lock is an appealing choice. It offers 7 ways to unlock: fingerprint, passcode, mobile app, key fob, mechanical key, Wi-Fi, and voice control. Wi-Fi gateway required, sold separately. This extensive versatility ensures that everyone in your home or rental property can access the space in a way that suits them. Installation is another highlight. No drilling or professional locksmith services are needed. A screwdriver is all it takes to replace your existing lock in around 10 minutes. The lock fits standard door dimensions, making it a plug-and-play solution for most households. What makes this product stand out is its security performance, with AES 256 encryption safeguarding fingerprint and user data. It's designed for both interior bedroom doors and covered exterior doors, adding to its flexibility. The mobile app enhances the experience further by allowing you to create passcodes, assign e-keys, track entry logs, and manage multiple locks all in one place. It's particularly useful for Airbnb hosts and property managers handling multiple units. When looking for the best fingerprint door lock for bedroom use, the Kucacci lock's combination of advanced encryption, smart control options, and multiple unlocking methods makes it a reliable, user-friendly, and highly secure option for both families and landlords. Number 5. Veise fingerprint door lock. Blending classic style with modern security, the Veise fingerprint door lock is a smart, feature-packed option that complements a range of home aesthetics while delivering reliable keyless entry. The lock boasts a retro handle design paired with advanced technology, offering 5 unlocking options: fingerprint, app control, passcode, key fob, and traditional key. This ensures easy, flexible access for all household members and guests. App management via the klloque Home app allows you to remotely generate temporary codes, share digital keys, and monitor activity logs. Especially convenient for rental hosts and property managers. The lock is IP55 weather rated and includes AES 128 encryption to protect biometric data, making it a secure choice for interior and protected exterior use. A handy emergency charging port ensures you'll never be locked out, even if the battery runs low. Installation is quick and simple, requiring only about 15 minutes and a standard screwdriver, with compatibility for 99% of doors and both left and right-handed setups. When paired with the G1 gateway, sold separately, you can enjoy full remote control, voice commands, and expanded smart home integration. This makes it one of the best fingerprint door lock for bedroom use if you value both style and functionality. Its ease of use, reliable access options, and smart security features position the Veise lock as a strong, stylish option for modern households. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.